Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening another Miniverse Make It Mini Food. This is the Holiday Collection Series 1. We're going to open this and see what we get. There are 3 recipes to find, technically 4, because there is a very rare Buddy the Elf spaghetti one. So you don't see the recipe card, but I did see it online and I saw a picture of it. So, ooh, I think I got the turkey. Got our little plate. Has a little, looks like a snowflake on it. Then we have the resin. So our turkey glaze. These should be the tongs. Ooh, we got a little baster too. It feels like silicone. That's cute. This one is going to be the easiest one. There's little caps for the turkey legs. This will be the easiest build. The other ones look a little complicated. Oh, I forgot this one comes with a card. How cute. It's in a little envelope. It says 100% Merry on the back of it. It says Happy Holidays on the front, the gingerbread man, and it's blank. That is so cute. I love that. So we should have carrots and a turkey left. There's our turkey wrapped up and sealed. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And our multicolored carrots. We got 2 of each color. Here are the instructions of what it looks like. So it looks like first you put the turkey on there, place the carrots around it, add the little, I don't know what that's called, the part that covers its feet. And then you put the glaze on with your little baster and cure it. Very simple. So let's get our plate out. Take the plastic off the turkey. Its feet look like they move a little bit, but they don't. Doesn't look like it, at least. Isn't that funny? So realistic looking. How cute. I think I'm going to put the little caps on now. Ooh, they're a little hard to put on. There are little there's little cuts in it so that it could go on, but it's bendable, so it's kind of difficult. And then I'm going to turn them like that so you can't see the little slit that is in the plastic. Whoops. Probably the most challenging part. There we go. That wasn't bad. Apparently the tough one was just the first one for whatever reason. Cute. Okay. Now let's get our carrots out. I'll probably use all of them if I could fit them on there. Why not? I feel like there's going to be a lot of resin left over too, but I'm just guessing on that. Always keep your resin. I guess I'll just have all different colors, kind of rotate them and see how it looks from all angles. Maybe another orange one there. Whoops, obviously the turkey moves. Don't move the turkey. Should I put one up there by the head, or is that weird? That's the beauty about this. You can rearrange it and you have time to do that before you put the resin on. I think I have it how I want it. And I looked at the picture on the recipe. Ooh. And it looks like they kind of just have it going around the entire turkey. So I'm going to plop a bunch of this on here. It kind of looks like honey. I don't know how much I'll need. Maybe that's enough, I don't know. But I will use the baster and just gloss the whole thing up. The difficult part, I guess, would be kind of have to hold it or else it slides all over the plate. And you want it to drip down here because you want it to touch the carrots so it can all cure together and become one solid piece. At least I do. That's how I want it. You totally don't have to do that if you want to be able to remove the carrots, but I don't. Love this baster though. I think I have it touching on every angle possible. All the carrots have some resin on it. I'm gonna rush it outside in the sunlight and cure it. Here's what it looks like after it cured. Very cute, shiny and glossy. Everything's touching with the resin, so it's all connected, will not fall off of it. Very, very cool. If you guys want to watch us collect all the holiday ones, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Bye guys!